We're back with another video. Today I'm with my fire alarms. This is system test 2 because this is a different tone. This actually has 2 tones. So first, let's pull this down. Yep, that's an ambulance. Yeah, that is loud, and it's actually pretty cool. So I'm resetting it right now. Turned it off because of the plug. Smelling everything smelling if it burns out or anything like that. So guys, that was system test 2. Comment below if you actually want me to attach these to walls. Bye. Sure to subscribe for more fire alarms.